here in, but you know what, I'm just gonna say it's a mean comment. I'm from the mountain. You know which mountain I'm from? Hi guys, MaryAnn here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, it is just get ready with me with a little bit of chit chat, talk. Okay, so I'm gonna put my mirror right here. Tammy is picking me up today. I'm going to apply this. This is the Dewy Smooth Maybelline 225, guys, the Fit Me. And I'm going also to use the dumps, the beauty blender. It's damp already. Okay, today is Thursday, guys, January 26, and so I'm going back to the other house. And I love this foundation, guys, because it's dewy. I don't have to like worried about the cakiness and the flaky on my dry skin, because I really have a dry skin. I have a really dry around my nose and my mouth. That's a dry area there, and it's always, every time I put foundation, that's my worries about this area here, because it's always end up like, oh my god, it's like I have to just, I can't stop flicking it, because it's like, it's very obvious. I'm going to try to do a second layer. This is the first layer, guys. Oh, I put too much. I put too much.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees.
This is what I love about this foundation. I put 2 layers and I don't see any cakiness and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Oh, this is in the shade of the 225 medium box. Anyway, guys, me and Tammy talked a long time ago. Well, yeah, Tammy and I talk about something though. You know, just talking, and we don't know if it's going to happen, but we just, have that conversation that, because we got married here in the US. I want to get married in the Philippines, not like a bunga married kind of thing, but I'm gonna talk about that later. Perfect, done with that. Yeah, you're in the bag that it says dark chocolate almond biscuit. You're in the biscuit. You're in the biscuit. Yeah, I think it's better that way. I just put very little, and that's it.
I'm fading, I think I'm losing my sight. I swear I'm hitting the floor.
I'm gonna do a shout out while I'm doing this, guys. Okay, where's my phone? I'm gonna do a quick shout out. Okay, we're going to go to Facebook. Shout out to Regine Bulacos. And also shout out to Junaline Forlanga Villanueva. You guys are always, you guys are always like, always on my Facebook, always in the comment section, and always liking what I post. I really do appreciate it, guys, that you guys leave a comment down below on my Facebook. And also shout out to Sis Basilio. Sis Basilio, hi ganda. Hi ganda. Right now I'm using the Maybelline Nude Formula Thin Sunbake. This is very old, guys. I got the Sunbake Neutral eyeshadow. This one. This is what I'm using right here. And also shout out to John Charter. Even though John Charter, you're very you teasing me all the time, you're joking. And Landon Lee Dion Na. So Roseldin, say hi. Okay, let's do my eyes. I'm gonna do my eyes, guys, and I'm going to use the It's Judy Time, the collaboration with Pixi. This is the It's Eye Time. Okay, I'm going to use the Owl Snap. I'm going to use the Owl Snap, this one right here. then I'm going to use the brick, only very little. I'm going to use the brick, and then I put it on top of the line.
You make me feel kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
And I'm going to I'll snap again, the dark one, and I'm gonna go back and put another line. And then I'm going to apply the good morning. I'm going to apply the good morning, very little. I'm gonna put that on top of this one to have like a transition, or I don't know how you called it.
I could swear that my stomach just sunk.
I'm going to apply the dark one here, the dark chocolate, the outer part. Very light only, guys.
It doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel
And it's time to blend it.
kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
I'm going to use the Maybelline It's Rewind, the concealer. That's what I'm going to do. Very little. And then I will put the brick one in the line. Very little. And then I'm going to apply the elf eyeshadow.
More. You make me feel kind of bad.
Then I'm just gonna do the harsh line.
You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to my shout out because I just concentrate my eyes. Shout out to Delanty Bradley. Hi, bro. Barbie Angel. And also, hi to Al Steve, Lisa Lactri, May Mitch Radford. Hi, guys. And to Manilyn Ribosto. And also, hi to Rothy Garty. Hi. Ilas Daily. Hi, Elias Daily. Silsa de la Puerta, you guys are always there. And I'm going to my YouTube. I'm gonna add something on my eyes, guys. Very light. I love this Blinko shimmer eyeshadow, this one right here. The next thing is I'm gonna do my eyebrow. I'm using one of my favorite, all the time favorite, the Opera. I'm just gonna do an outline. Over here, I'm gonna do a very light stroke upward. And then what I'm going to do next is apply the powder, the Maybelline. This is what I'm going to apply.
I could swear that my stomach just.
And then before I forgot, I'm going to add the It's Judy Time. I'm gonna do the snowflake, this one right here, the lighter one. Shout out to Rajan Is and Isa Bachu, to Vanessa Jantahan, hi, and also hi to Candy Makeup, hi sis, and to Cynthia Johnson, hi sister, and to Tim's Maple, Sherilyn D, and to Ellie Mitch, hi to you guys. The next thing I'm gonna apply is for the contour. This is the Wet n Wild contouring palette. this one here, and this one is what I'm going to use. Merlin Valenzuela. Here, area here. I asked him, I really wanna, because I get married here and we don't get married in the church. I told him I want to get married with my parents over there in the church. It doesn't matter, we don't have to, because I have an uncle who's a pastor. I want him to bless us in the church. No, it's not, it doesn't need to be, I don't need a paper like you have to go to City Hall, take care of this, take care of that. I don't want that. It's just like I want a blessings from God, and that's what I told him. Even though we don't have to spend like, you know, money, we're just gonna buy lechon and that's it. We don't have to like buy dresses or something, and it's just, you know, a simple thing, a celebration. And for my family over there, you know, I can do that. And he told me, yeah, we can do that. I don't need a like bongalicious wedding. I just want a blessing, and then get together with the family, and that's it, you know, relatives and stuff like that in the house, you know, like a fiesta kind of thing, like happy gathering together. And Tammy said yes, we can do that. Yeah, but that's gonna be long time, because the next time that I'm going back to the Philippines, I don't know if, you know, if we're gonna go there together or just me, or we're not, we don't know. But let's see, you know, because it's expensive, girl. Very light brick, and then the dark chocolate, and then I'm going to apply the snowflake. And hi to Valerie Key, and also hi to Guy Feeling. Hi. So which lipstick that I'm gonna use, that It's Judy Time palette, the lip palette from It's Judy. So what I'm gonna mix and match today is the falling leaves, this one right here. It smells really good. Okay, and then I apply this one, the brick one, and then I decided to apply the Mia Beer. So this is the result of the color, guys, that I mixed with first is the falling leaves, and then the Mia Beer. That's a good thing about this palette, because you can mix and match, and it's not like gross. Some other palettes are like glossy, not oily looking, it's glossy, and then when you mix and match, it's this one is a matte lip palette, and then you can just mix 3. I did mix 3 yesterday. It's a gorgeous color, and this one is really amazing. Anyway guys, thank you all guys so much for watching, and I really appreciate it. See you in my next video, guys. Bye guys. If you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, please click down the bottom below. I upload also vlog onto this channel. Okay, I'm just gonna do a random thing here from my video. Okay, who comment my video? Somebody comment where I'm from in Mindanao, and let's see who it is. It's me, Tuna Boo. Hi Tuna. I'm from Mindanao, Surigao del Sur. Yeah, I'm from Surigao del Sur. Elena Morgan, hi. Mario Padilla, Michael Sachar, to Lady Augusto, and to the resident alien's wife. Aliens Bayan says. Maria Barque and Antonio Ranieri, hi. Oh, somebody comment on my video. It's really mean comment. But you know what? I'm just gonna say it's a mean comment. I deleted it. I reported it, and the YouTube deleted it. I don't delete it, I just report it, and YouTube deleted it so quick. I'm from the mountain. You know which mountain I'm from? Keep commenting. I'm just gonna keep reading it. And thank you for the comments anyway, and thank you for watching my video. Anyway, you guys, Jubilita, thank you for the comment. Mitch Cads and to Winnie. So bye guys. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye.